It's makeup time. These things are so bomb. I hate these freaking planes. If you're new to my channel and you hear something obnoxious and annoying, it's most likely a plane. I live super close to the airport and they literally pass by every 5 minutes, so don't mind them. Hi guys, today I'm filming a makeup tutorial on this look. I wanted the focus of this look to be on glowiness. That's pretty much what my vibe has been for a while now when it comes to makeup, but I wanted to add in a little bit of depth with eyeshadow and lashes and stuff. So yeah, this is what I came up with. If you guys want to know how I got it, then just keep on watching. This ain't healthy, girl, this can't go on. I think I'm over it, this can't go on. I know you, but I'm me, that should mean some shit. I got a house with a studio, I dream that shit. I posted something on Instagram a little bit ago telling you guys that I'm filming a makeup tutorial and to send me looks that you want me to pull inspiration from and stuff like that. A lot of you guys were asking me to do like light, well, this is like my everyday thing. So I do want to put a little spin on this, but a lot of you guys were asking for like light, glowy. So I already have my base done, my eyebrows done. I decided not to film that section of my makeup because in my most recent makeup tutorial, I did include this stuff, so I'll just leave a link somewhere if you guys want to check that out really quick. I don't wear foundation anymore, so this is a very lightweight thing that I have going on. So if you guys are curious, like I said, go check that out and come back. I'm gonna zoom in a smidgen. Okay, cross your fingers. We're getting in there. Where's my brush? I'm gonna start off by taking this MAC eyeshadow in the shade Uninterrupted. I'm gonna buff this into my outer corner in my crease. I want my crease to be fairly light. I do want to have color and a bit of definition, but I'm gonna blend this out so it isn't as intense. So just with a clean blending brush, I'm just blending over top. It just randomly got so hot. I'm trying to fan myself with this brush. Okay, I need to change because I'm sweating. I don't have any freaking t-shirts. I put on a bathing suit top because apparently I need to do laundry. I'm gonna go ahead and take this eyeshadow. This is from this brand called Ditto, and it's in the shade, it's all about shine. What the hell? I don't know why my camera has so much trouble focusing, but it does. Anyway, so I'm gonna just take this with my finger. Oh wow, this is so pretty. I've never used this shade before. Ooh, I love this. Originally, I was gonna put this on my lid, but I don't think I wanna do that. I'm going to pop a little bit of this on the inner corners of my eyes. Since I'm like patting it on with my finger, it's kind of depositing it pretty lightly and it's blending it out very effortlessly. And it's kind of blowing it out a little bit, so it's giving it more of that like blown out glow. I don't know how to describe that, but I really like it. That just got a little bit out of hand. Oh no. Oh no! I got glitter all the way down here where I didn't want it. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this underneath my brow bone. I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out so it has more of like a wispy blend, kind of like in the inner corners. Wispy blend? What does that even mean? I'm gonna take a little bit more of Uninterrupted and sweep that through my crease. Just a little bit. I feel like the yellow undertone in this crease color really, I have the hiccups. I feel like it really complements the like color in this. Obviously these colors go beautifully together. Oh wow, now my camera's focusing. You saw that? I'm gonna take my Anastasia modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna take the shade Cypress Umber. I'm gonna take this angled brush. This is the brush that I used to fill in my eyebrows, but I wiped off the brow powder and now I'm gonna just take a little bit of this brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this to create a very soft wing. I'm sort of just getting the shape down right now. Ah, I'm getting fallout. I'm gonna go in with this side of my brush. This is the side that I use for my crease shade, and this is just a more compact side. And I'm gonna use that to blend this out a little bit. I'm trying to connect the bottom of the wing to the very like corner of my eye. I'm gonna take a little bit more of uninterrupted and go over top of the wing just to help blend it into the crease color more. And so it looks softer and not so like sharp. I'm just touching up under my eyes with a little bit of powder to help with any fallout. I think I'm actually happy with this. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit because I hate being zoomed in like this. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself because I know lashes are very forgiving and they will pull this look together. Okay, I found these lashes. I have no clue where they are from, but they're like little half lashes. Half lashes have been my thing. I haven't worn a full strip of lashes, honestly, probably since Coachella last year, which was almost a year ago. I just don't like them anymore. But I like these ones compared to my everyday half lashes because these ones are a little spikier. You probably can't see them that well, but they're just spiky and wispy. This is very yummy. It's juice that I made yesterday. Oh, I forgot to put eyeshadow on my lower lash line. That's why I'm all out of whack. Yeah, that's why, Elizabeth. I'm gonna do my other lash and then I'll do that. Actually, while this lash glue is getting tacky, I'll do it. I'm just gonna take a little bit of uninterrupted and smudge that on the lower lash line. Then I'm just gonna go back in with that brown that I used and just very lightly apply a little bit to the outer corners of my lower lash line and then go in more with uninterrupted to further blend it out. I'm gonna use a brown mascara on my bottom lashes just to give definition to those lashes, but so the main focus is on top. I'm gonna take this Tarte eyeliner. It's double-sided. One side's liquid, one side is a pencil. I'm just gonna use this to tightline my eyes. Okay, now we are done with the eyes. So this is how they look. Yeah, love it. I told you guys to go check out my last makeup tutorial to see how I did my base. Everything was exactly the same, but I am gonna add another highlight on top of the highlight that I already put on. This one is from Laura Geller and it's in the shade Gilded Honey. I'm just gonna pop that right over my original highlight just to intensify it a bit more. That's it for pretty much everything except for lips. So after I did my base, I just applied a little bit of this Buxom Powerful Plump lip balm, and this one is in the shade Inner Glow. So it's basically just a tinted lip balm, and I just let that soak in my lips as I was doing the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of this just to give me a little bit of color, and then I'm gonna just go in with some regular schmegular lip balm. This one is from a local person here where I live. Her brand is called Mandala Touch. I absolutely love her brand. Super simple ingredients, all natural, organic, biodegradable packaging, love that. I also use her bar shampoos, conditioners, and face washes. And bar soaps for like my body. I love her products so much. Lately, I've just been loving the look of natural, plump, like moisturized lips, like not really too glossy, just natural. But since this is more of like a full makeup look, like since I have kind of a lot going on in my eyes, I am gonna apply a lip gloss. This is also from Buxom and it's in the shade Peach Daiquiri. When I apply it and blend it out, it doesn't really add too much color to my lips. It just looks very natural on me. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the makeup. I'm gonna zoom out a little. Do she got a beauty mark on the left side of her mouth? Went to Georgia Tech, worked for TVS. Tell me what's wrong, dog. What the hell you yelling about? Okay, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was actually really fun for me to film this. I'm really happy that I am filming a bit more makeup videos. If you guys recreate this look or any looks that I have done, please send me photos or tag me on social media so I can see what you guys come up with. Like I said, I hope that you guys liked this. If you did, please thumbs up this video and please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.